Why are you beeping?
Because the girls told me to honk.
Oh,
So I honked.
was that a golf cart?
No, I don't know what it was, but the girls had a sign. They're like, honk. So I honked.
Oh, they pulled like the horn thing?
Yeah.
Where were they? I didn't even see
Back
them.
there, sitting in a driveway.
Oh, I could have run them over and wouldn't have seen them.
No, they were on that side of the road.
Way up on the driveway?
Yeah, but they were on the left side of the road.
And they were saying honk?
Yeah, they had a sign.
Oh.
And they were going like this. So I honked. I
Oh.
saw them last minute. So I honked at them.
Oh.
I was complying with their honking. That didn't sound right. That did not come out right.
Yeah, whatever.
I was complying with their honking. Yeah, okay. They wanted me to honk and I honked.
All right, you honked. I was just wondering about that honking stuff.
I keep wondering about that.
Mm.
Really? Something happened to Bobo.
Something happened to the honker.
No, something happened to Bobo.
Ah, bullshit.
Bobo went, hi.
Well, maybe somebody could volunteer to take care of your needs.
Uh-huh.
I tried to get you fixed up the other night, but...
You're so tardy. Tart.
Oh, we should have gone up the little ways.
Well, we didn't, so you don't get the honk at the
Oh,
golfers.
man.
No honking at golfers today.
That's no fun. No
You
fun
have
at
to
all.
honk at them at another day.
Honk another day?
You're going to have to honk another
That's what you've been
day.
saying for the last how many years?
You're going to have to
I'll
honk
honk another day.
You have to honk another day.
Mm-hmm.
Because I just know the golfers love when we go by and honk. Oh, there's some. Honking at the golfers. Oh, my God. This comes from watching years ago Jackass doing the air horn at the golfers. We just do it with our motorcycle.
Yeah, and they can turn around and tee up on us, too.
Yeah, but we're on a motorcycle, so it'll take them a while.
I don't know.
Plus
You
they
get
come
hit with a
after
golf ball, and
Yeah, but they'd have to know we're coming, and they don't know we're coming.
they can turn around quick enough.
No.
Yeah.
Now, if they got in their golf cart...
This is a
they
shot they won't forget. Bing! Right off the helmet.
They might jump in their golf carts and come chase us.
Good.
Hey, some of those golf carts can go pretty good.
Yeah, that golf ball can go a whole lot better. That's a true test for a helmet. Can it take a golf ball at 50 yards?
No.
Somebody hammering the damn thing right at you at 50 yards. Can the helmet take it?
Well, you know, I could test
You know,
that
and
at
if
home
you
for you.
can't, you probably die.
I could test that at home for you.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. Well, the old saying, you first.
Oh, you first. You
Nope.
brought it up. Your idea.
Well, I was talking about somebody else.
I don't want to take your thunder away.
Uh-huh.
Okay, you stay.
My idea, so...
Thank you very much. Split-a-doo, it-a-doo. Okay.
All right.
Okay, I should go a little too fast here.
So if there's any ladies that haven't stopped...
Okay,
Yeah.
no, yeah, like, I'm gonna put that in the freaking video. You're freaking out of your mind. You're such a
my phone number.
There's
My
no-
email address is...
Look, okay? I'm gonna say this and I'm gonna put this in the video. You ready for this?
What?
He's my, wait a minute, how does it go? Hold on, I gotta think how it goes. Hold on. Even though me and my husband argue, he is mine until I kill him. Then he's Jesus's problem.
Yeah. You heard that
Oh,
somewhere.
squirrel!
Man, you see him? He pulled that tail up and farted for extra propulsion.
It was like,
Man.
He came right in front of me.
Yeah, well.
Damn, squirrel. He took a chance there.
Man, he picked that tail up and blew wind. And that gave
It was
enough.
funny. And when
That
I
was
went,
an extra 5 pounds of thrust.
and when I went, ooh, squirrel, he was like, oh shit.
All right.
Oh, I got a bug right between my eyes on my windscreen. Gotta hate that. Oh. Right between the eyes. Bink.
We got a easy, honey.
Uh-oh.
What the f? Oh, they saw you coming.
I'm like, okay, we don't live in the UK. We ride on the other side of the road. He was confused.
There he was.
Anyway, I gotta figure out what to make for dinner. What time is it? Oh,
Yeah.
it's 4:24.
424.
Because I was hungry.
Because you're horny?
No, I'm hungry, not horny. Hungry. I need food.
Is it? I don't think so. I don't think either one of us need food.
I need food. It's hungry.
I don't think either one of us need food.
I'm gonna whittle away.
Okay, you whittle away.
Now he's letting me starve to death.
Now we gotta make sure.
No shade, I don't see.
Nobody's watering their lawn.
Nobody's pulling out.
Yeah, nobody's flung their grass out on the turn.
Whee! It's a fun.
25 mile an hour on this turn.
Gotcha.
You're doing 50.
I was not.
Blind turn, too.
I was not.
Well, at least it weren't in the other lane, you know.
I could go in the other lane. I go, hello.
Yeah.
Hi. I'm here.
Oh, race you the line. Oh, what? I'll wait. So you start the bike again because you stalled it out. I'll wait. It's okay. It's fine. Race your line. I'll just wait. I'll wait.
I won. Yeah.
What do you know? You didn't stall out that time.
Hey,
What?
and I'm not telling you you're number one either.
Or you didn't hit the rev limiter. Why won't my bike get going? Shift the damn thing, dummy.
You're an ass.
I
You're an
know.
ass.
I know.
Hi, my name is Butthead.
Could this one of us go any slower? The speed limit's 50. The bastard's doing 40.
Excuse me.
What?
Didn't I get yelled at the other
Well,
day
I didn't.
for being a little angry while I am riding?
I'm just saying.
Well, what are you doing?
I didn't get angry.
Getting a little
I'm
angry.
just making a point.
No, you got angry.
No, I didn't. How do you
And
know
I got yelled
angry?
at because you just got angry in my
Oh,
ear.
because you said I did.
You
That's
just did.
right.
Well, we'll let them be the judge. Was he angry or wasn't he?
No.
Okay.
If I was angry, I would have pissed. Along with you.
Now we you.
Yeah. Here comes another blind turn. What are you doing?
Saying hi. All right, guys, guess what? We're ending this. We're crazy. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to go home and make dinner. So, bye, guys.
And don't forget, ride safe. What are you doing?
Wee.
All right.
Let's go wee.
You were going way all right.
For all you women out there that say you can take my husband, what are you waiting for?
I'm ready.
Come get him.